Jainam Software. In this video we are going to understand how you can create installment for every 5 days, every 10 days or every 15 days in Jainam Software. So I'm going to search customer here, then I click loan, I enter amount 10,000, any rate of interest that you want to set, then I want to give the loan, let's say for 100 days, and I want collection every 5 days. So what will happen? 20 days installment, 20 installments will be created at interval of every 5 days. I click save. Loan number 4 is created. I search loan 4 and check installment tracker. So on 7th first installment, that is on today, after 5 days on 7, 12, like this, 20 installments created. Now I click loan, enter amount, rate of interest for 100 days, and I want to create every 10 days. I click save. Loan 5 created. I just check installment tracker 2, 12, 22, like this. Now I want to create a loan 10,000, 100. Oops, this time I entered correctly, not 1000, and then 15. But it cannot be equivalent divide of this. So what I can do is I can make it like 120 days and loan every 15 day. I click save. I can in fact check from here also, no need to go everywhere every time there. So the first installment 7th, then 17th, then 1st Jan, then 16 Jan, and likewise, right? So it is calculating every 15 days. It is not half month, it is the 15 days. Okay, so that's how it is created in Jainam Software. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.